What's going on, guys? This is Dre here. Black Conjure. We're gonna talk about ancestor money, how to move debt, and also how to remove generational curses with ancestor money. Um, this is something I've been doing for a while, and I've been into spirituality. I've been deep into spirituality and conjure and juju for about 8 years now, and tarot. I also have a tarot channel. If you're interested in that, let me know, and I'll sure will give you the link to that channel. Alright, so about ancestor money. This is ancestor money, y'all. I call this money. I call this regular money. This is money that I use on a daily basis. This is a lot of money. I use this money a lot. I will burn it, and I will contact my ancestors for guidance, for help out for whatever reason here. But let's say you want to burn ancestor money, right? You got your bowl. I feel like bring my bowl because it's a big bowl that I use to I pay my ancestors money and keep my ashes and use my ashes for other reasons. But I'm gonna get into that. That's another video of how to use ashes of ancestor money, because it does have a background to it. Anyway, I'll get my ancestor money and I'll start getting it and I'll start lighting up. Alright, and I will pray to my ancestors, known and unknown, for guidance, for strength in life, for enhancement, for bringing in finances, as ancestors to remove any conflict within the family, as ancestors to bring in money, prosperity, and abundance. Ask the ancestors to remove any blockages in the family, to remove all curses, to remove all hexes that happen to anyone in the family, anyone that's in our bloodline, anyone that's in your bloodline. So I do that, and then I burn. I burn up to about 4 to 10 of these up, like possibly twice a day, once a day sometimes. I burn these. Now, with my ancestor money, what I do is that I have my own specific oil that I use, and this is my multi-purpose spiritual oil that I use. I have gold pigment into it, and this is very heavy. This oil that I use is very great oil, very potent oil, very good. This is expensive olive oil. And I use this, and I will get my money right. I'm about to demonstrate to you what I do. I'll demonstrate to you what I'm gonna do here. Let me open this up, right? I'll get my hand right, and I would one in the middle, one right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I have 5 with the oil is on, right? Then I burn it like this, because especially in the middle part, when I have put the oil in the middle part, it burns, but it take a while for it to burn. Like usually it take maybe a second or two after. Feel like the people burn like automatically good, but the image in the middle of it take a couple seconds to burn for some reason when I put the oil on it. I'm not selling this oil. I did sell this oil to my tarot clients who are on my other YouTube channel, but this oil isn't for selling anymore. I'm not doing these anymore. Anyway, I'm gonna get to the oils and stuff like that on another video. I will burn this dollar. I will burn this ancestor money, and I put it right in the light, and I connect with my ancestors. And when you burn, when you connect with your ancestors, you don't just burn your money and go. Like, oh, psh, oh, that feels bad. Let me go do this real quick. You want to stay and talk and communicate and be in communication with the audience and enhance that connection with the ancestors. Hey, when the ancestors work for you, but you're not doing nothing. You just going by your business. You're not paying them no attention. You just, oh, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. And you think they'll help you for just giving them a couple dollars in the spiritual realm? No. Establish a connection with them. Establish a connection with them. Alright, y'all. You gotta establish a connection with them. How they're gonna work if they don't? How they gonna work for you? But you don't have an established connection with them. You don't get one to take a chance to get to know them, to get to understand them, to get to hear them, to get the message that you should receive from your ancestors. If you want to follow my Instagram is Black Conjure. It's the same thing for YouTube. Black Conjure for my Instagram. It's really time that we start connecting with our ancestors for any other spirit. First, you must connect with the ancestors. Because if these jokester spirits end up fucking you over, who's going to protect you? Who's going to stop them before they even hit you? If anybody throwing a curse at you or any hex at you, if you have no spirit that's holding you up, no spirit that's protecting you, if you say, oh yeah, I'm protected, but you're not really protected because you don't have your ancestors protecting you. So if somebody hits you with a hex, and if you contact your ancestors, you got connection with your ancestors, they're gonna protect you. You don't even have to lay no candles. You don't do nothing. They will do their work on that person. Cause they have a mind of their own. They want to do what they do. They do what they do. You don't have to lay your hands on nothing. You just have to sit there and watch them suffer because of what they did. And this is why I say, you send that energy towards somebody, you will get that shit back. Whether it's in this life, or next life, or afterlife, whatever life, okay? You're gonna get that shit back. Regardless. If it's non, he's like, oh, she ugly, she cute, and just throw a curse. Like, a meaningful negative curse is not good. Now, if somebody messing with you, aggravating you, assaulting you, doing this to you, then that means you put them in check. Like, okay, try for my people, try my best. Spirit, I give it to you to help, put this person in their place. Because I haven't done nothing wrong to them. They just come towards me and start drama. Then that'd be a reason for you to do that. Other than that, do not just throw any unnecessary curses at people. That's not good. And you can attract a lot of karma by that. People don't know that though. You can attract a lot of karma by that. So just be careful about what you do when it comes to spells and hexing and cursing and stuff like that. And I want to talk about family curses. Since you talk about ancestors, I want to talk about family curses. When people say your family is cursed, they don't necessarily mean like someone did a spell on them. And I'm gonna show you the difference. I'm gonna tell you the difference. A family curse can go back from generations. It can go back for years and years and years. It doesn't mean that someone put a curse on your family. Sometimes people did do that back in the day, but sometimes, most of the time, it's not that. Most of the time, you can break that curse. You see, you don't know how to. You're not trying to. You're not trying to. You're not trying to help yourself. You're not trying to help your family. You wonder why everybody in your family going through financial issues. You know why nobody can get their shit together. You wonder why, I just, every time I get money, it just keep going. Like, I never can get money. Girl, you gotta break that shit. Help yourself out and help your family out. If you're successful, your family's successful. I don't know if I can hear that candle crackling for some reason. But help your family out. Help you out. Help them. Help your ancestors spiritually to release all doubt that contains to the family or your bloodline. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna talk about some more deep stuff. I can't wait to talk to you guys about some other things that I have involved, like oil bracelets, necklaces, stuff like that. I got some other things coming for y'all. And my next video is gonna be about candles and how to do this, what color means this. Like, that's another video coming for y'all. So alright, y'all take care. Make sure y'all go get y'all some ancestor money. Get y'all money. Get y'all money. Peace out, y'all.